Hey guys, today I'm going to show a really cool Houdini trick. Just first the performance and then the tutorial. Okay, Mr. Hand, pick a card. Look at it. I cannot see it. Just I don't see it. Just gonna mix up the cards and give it a cut. Now we take this and just do like this. And now will your card rise to the top when I do like this? Your card, Mr. Hand.
No, I'm sorry.
What? Off. Just try to do like this. Just put it in and spin it. And voila. Then to the tutorial. Alright, it's very easy to do. You just shuffle the cards or cut it, something like that. Just take them to pick a card. Now it's 5 of clubs. 5 of clubs. Sorry, bad English. Just put it on top and do a fake shuffle when you try to turn it over. So, like that. Just do it a few times and do a fake cut when you take a part of the deck. Do here or in the other hand and do like this. Put it on the bottom.
Just have the card on the top always.
Thank you, Mr. Hand. You just take the elastic and a rubber band. Just do like this and do a double lift and say, what's that, your card? No, you turn it over, take this card, but now there's this card, but they don't see. You turn it like that, and now this is here, and you do like that, and you just spin it, and voila. Thank you.